Today we're diving into the world of modular homes with a super informative video, 21 things to know about modular homes. Whether you are considering buying one or just curious about what makes them unique, this video will cover all the essentials, from how they're built to the benefits and challenges of owning one. So if you're ready to get all the insights on modular living, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get started. Number 21. Modular homes differ from manufactured homes. Manufactured homes, also known as mobile homes, are like houses on the go. They're mobile. On the other hand, modular homes are constructed off-site in stages. These homes or sections are then transported to their designated location, where they're permanently put together and placed on a foundation, just like any other traditional home. Once a modular home is assembled, it's intended to stay put and isn't meant to be moved around like a manufactured home can be. Number 20. Modular homes are built in factories and often installed with a crane. Modular homes are houses built in factories instead of on-site. This means they are made indoors, where it's always the same temperature, which helps the builders work faster. Once each part of the house is finished, it's transported to where it will be put together. This is usually done with a crane, which lifts and puts the sections in place like a giant puzzle. Number 19. Modular homes are known as prefabricated homes or prefab homes. When you're looking into modular homes, you might come across the term prefabricated or prefab homes. Prefab is just a short way of saying prefabricated, which means some or all of the home was built somewhere else and then brought to the site. It's important to know that prefab and modular aren't the same. Modular homes are usually fully built before they're brought to the site, while prefab homes are made in sections or parts. Number 18. Modular homes can be delivered partially assembled or completely built. Modular homes come in different delivery methods: pre-assembled, panelized, and flat-packed. Pre-assembled homes are built in sections in a factory, then transported and assembled on site. Panelized homes have pre-assembled walls, roofing, and floors, built on site faster than traditional homes, but not as fast as modular. Flat-packed homes are like assembling Lego. Parts are transported flat and put together on site, taking the most time to assemble. Number 17. Modular homes are sometimes cheaper than traditional homes. Modular homes can be cheaper than traditional ones for several reasons. First, since they come with pre-designed plans, there's no need to hire an architect, saving on fees that usually range from 4 to 12% of construction costs. Permit fees are often lower too. Labor costs are reduced because the homes are built in a factory, avoiding delays and extra expenses caused by weather conditions. Plus, there's no need for a general contractor on site, as all inspections are done in the factory. With less construction on site, there's also less waste, meaning no dumpster fees. Number 16. Modular homes are allowed as backyard additions in many cities in the USA. Different cities in the USA have different rules about putting modular homes in your backyard, also known as accessory dwelling units or ADUs. Make sure to ask your city or town about their rules to be sure you're following them. If you don't follow the rules and get the right permits, it might make things slower for you. In most US cities, an ADU is a small living space that's less than 1,200 square feet. Number 15. There are a few things to consider when buying a modular home. When buying a modular home, there are important things to think about. Even though the starting price might seem affordable, you'll need to add extra costs. Make sure to ask the builder about what's included and what's not. You'll also have to pay for transporting the home to your site and using a crane to place it. Modular homes can sometimes cost more per square foot because they have all the same basic things as traditional homes, like plumbing and electricity. Number 14. There have been modular homes for decades. Modular homes have been around for a while, not just new. They're a reliable way to own a home and last a long time. Recently, more people are interested in them, along with ADUs. Before, they were more basic and not very customizable. But now, many companies offer modern modular homes with unique designs that you can personalize. Number 13. Do your research before buying a modular home. When considering a modular home, it's crucial to thoroughly research all aspects to ensure you make the best choice and avoid any surprises. Start by exploring various modular home providers, as you'll find that their prices, services, and quality can vary significantly. Key factors to investigate include lot setbacks. Understand the specific measurements, such as 3 by 7 by 15 feet, that define how far your home must be from property boundaries. Site delivery constraints. Check any limitations that could affect the delivery and assembly of your home on your property. Rental value. If you're considering renting out your modular home, look into potential earnings by researching Airbnb listing prices or local rental rates. Market value. Compare the value of similar units in the neighborhood to gauge how your investment might appreciate. Doing this groundwork will help you find a modular home that not only fits your budget and style, but also optimizes your investment. Number 12. Modular homes are excellent Airbnb investment assets. Airbnb is a popular website where people rent out their homes. Lots of homeowners and renters use it to make money. Modular homes are especially good for this because they're cheaper to own and look after than regular homes, but they can still earn you a good amount of rental income. Number 11. A modular home can be purchased and occupied within 3 weeks from purchase. Buying a modular home has a big advantage. You don't have to worry about bad weather slowing down construction. It's built in a factory, so there are fewer delays. The home can be finished in about 2 weeks at the factory, then delivered to your site in a week. Assembly at your location usually takes 1 to 3 weeks. Number 10. Some financial institutions provide conventional mortgage financing for modular homes. Owning a home typically involves securing a mortgage, whether you are buying a traditionally built house or a modular home. Lenders, including banks, provide various financing options based on the loan amount, interest rates, and repayment terms. These options can range from home equity lines of credit, or HELOC, and construction loans to newer models like co-investing. Number 9. You can tour a variety of modular homes before purchasing. Want to try out a modular home? Look for places where you can fully experience what it's like to live in one. Many modular home companies have showrooms with real houses you can check out. Number 8. Be sure to verify any additional expenses. When you buy a modular home, the company gives you a set price, but that's not all you'll spend. You'll also need to pay to move and put together the home, plus set things up like water and electricity. You might also need to buy things like appliances and heating and cooling systems separately. Number 7. The majority of manufacturers of modular homes ship anywhere in the US. You don't need to only use local modular home builders. Look on the internet and you'll find many companies that build modular homes and deliver them across the country. It might cost more to transport them, but it could be worth it to find the perfect home for you. Try searching for homes labeled as flat packed or kit of parts for ones that can be shipped using regular methods. Number 6. The price you see is what you pay when ordering a modular home. Buying a modular home has a clear advantage. You know exactly how much it will cost up front. This is a big deal because construction projects can often go way over budget and take much longer than expected. When you buy a modular home, you avoid these headaches. However, it's important to check with the company about what's included in the price. Some include appliances and heating, AC, while others don't. Also, site costs might not be included, so it's good to clarify everything. Some companies offer turnkey prices, meaning everything is included. Number 5. Modular homes frequently last longer and use less energy. Manufactured homes can be moved around, so they wear out faster and lose value quicker than permanent modular homes. Modular homes look more like regular houses, so they hold their value better over time. Number 4. There are no generic modular homes. Modular home companies offer different floor plans for sale. You can change some parts to suit your taste. These homes are unique and not all the same. You can even pick special finishes to make the home look just how you want it. Number 3. Modular homes are made up of connected sections called modules. Modular homes are constructed in factories as separate sections and then transported to their final location. Often referred to as prefabricated or factory-built homes. These sections are crafted off-site and then brought together to form a complete house either before transport or directly on the home's permanent lot. Once put together and set on its foundation, a modular home blends in seamlessly with traditionally built homes, looking just like any other house in the neighborhood. Number 2. Compared to manufactured homes, modular homes increase in value. Manufactured homes can move around, so they often get worn out and lose value faster than permanent modular homes. Modular homes look more like regular houses, so they usually gain value over time, just like traditional homes. Number 1. Many modular homes come with building warranties. When you buy a modular home from a good company, you get a warranty just like when you buy any other home. This warranty covers things like the electricity, plumbing, and structure of the house. Make sure to check this with the company you're buying from. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.